Did you know that sitting for more than 6 hours a day can increase your risk of heart disease by 90%? 90%. And yet, most of us spend our days glued to chairs, couches, or car seats. But what if I told you there's a simple, ancient practice that can completely transform your body, improve your posture, and even boost your energy levels? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of resting squats. Yes, that's right, squatting like our ancestors did. This isn't just another fitness trend, it's a game changer for your health. Resting squats are more than just a workout move, they're a lifestyle upgrade. From improving your digestion to strengthening your legs and even enhancing your mobility, this humble posture has been used for centuries in cultures around the world. And today, we're going to break down exactly how resting squats can change your body and why you should start incorporating them into your daily routine. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of this powerful posture, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's start with the most obvious benefit: posture. When you sit in a chair, your spine often curves unnaturally, leading to back pain and stiffness. But in a resting squat, your spine aligns perfectly, mimicking its natural S shape. This alignment isn't just good for your back, it also helps reduce pressure on your lumbar spine, which is a common problem for people who sit for long hours. Studies show that cultures that regularly squat, like in parts of Asia and Africa, have significantly lower rates of chronic back pain. And here's the kicker: squatting strengthens your core and lower back muscles, which means better support for your spine over time. Fun fact: in many parts of the world, people squat to eat, chat, or even work. So, next time you're binge watching Netflix, maybe ditch the couch and try a squat instead. Okay, this one might surprise you. Did you know that squatting can actually improve your digestion? It's true. When you're in a resting squat, your intestines are in the optimal position for waste elimination. Think about it. Sitting on a toilet is actually a pretty unnatural position. But squatting? That's how our bodies were designed to do the deed. In fact, research shows that squatting can reduce the risk of constipation and even lower your chances of developing hemorrhoids. But it's not just about the bathroom. Squatting also helps stimulate your digestive organs, improving overall gut health. So, if you've been feeling a little backed up, maybe it's time to embrace the squat life. Let's talk about those gains. Resting squats are like a secret weapon for building lower body strength. Unlike traditional squats with weights, resting squats are low impact but still engage your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. And here's the best part: because you're holding the position for longer, your muscles are under constant tension, which means better endurance and tone over time. Pro tip: if you're new to squatting, start with just 30 seconds a day and work your way up. Your legs will thank you. And for those of you who love data, studies have shown that squatting can increase muscle activation in your lower body by up to 30% compared to sitting. That's a win-win. Ever feel like your hips are tighter than a jar of pickles? Resting squats can help with that too. Squatting regularly improves hip mobility and ankle flexibility, which are crucial for everything from walking to running to dancing. As we age, flexibility becomes even more important. Squatting helps open up your hip flexors, which can get tight from sitting all day. And let's not forget about your ankles. Squatting helps improve their range of motion, which is essential for balance and stability. Fun fact: babies are natural squatters. Watch a toddler pick something up and you'll see them drop into a perfect squat without even thinking about it. It's only as we grow older that we lose this natural ability. But the good news? You can get it back with practice. Last but not least, let's talk about circulation. When you're sitting in a chair, blood flow to your lower body can get restricted, leading to that dreaded dead leg feeling. But in a resting squat, your hips and knees are open, allowing blood to flow freely. This improved circulation means more oxygen to your muscles and brain, which translates to higher energy levels and better focus. So, if you're feeling sluggish at work, try swapping your chair for a squat. You might just find yourself powering through the day. And for those of you who struggle with swollen feet or varicose veins, squatting can help reduce fluid retention and improve venous return. It's like a mini massage for your legs. Here's something you might not expect. Resting squats can actually improve your mental health. When you're in a squat, your body is in a grounded, stable position, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, the act of squatting requires focus and balance, which can help clear your mind and improve concentration. It's like a mini meditation session. Pro tip: try combining your squat with deep breathing exercises. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. You'll be amazed at how calm and centered you feel afterward. Finally, let's take a moment to appreciate the cultural and historical significance of squatting. For centuries, humans have used this posture for everything from cooking and eating to socializing and working. In many parts of the world, squatting is still a common practice. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. So, the next time you drop into a resting squat, remember that you're not just improving your health, you're connecting with a tradition that spans generations. So, there you have it. 7 incredible ways resting squats can transform your body. From better posture and digestion to stronger legs, improved circulation, and even mental clarity, this simple practice is a powerhouse of benefits. The best part? You don't need any equipment or a gym membership. All you need is a little space and a willingness to try something new. So, why not give it a shot? Start with just a few minutes a day and see how your body responds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And hey, drop a comment below. Have you tried resting squats before? How did it feel? Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the simplest changes can have the biggest impact. See you in the next video.